Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure Python and the right extensions are present. This gives Vscode the tools to run notebooks. Once done, open a folder and create or open a IPN file so you have a notebook pane. Next, pick the interpreter in the lower right. Choose a virtual environment or conda kernel you want to run. This matters because the kernel controls installed packages and execution. Make sure the selected interpreter shows successful status before you run cells. Now you execute code and manage kernels. Run a cell with the run icon or Shift plus Enter. Outputs appear inline and variable state persists across cells. If you need another environment, change the kernel via the kernel picker or command palette and restart the kernel to refresh state. When imports fail, install packages into the active interpreter using pip or conda terminals inside Vscode so the notebook uses them. This keeps execution consistent and reproducible across sessions. Finish by saving and exporting. Save the notebook often and export to PY or HTML when you need sharing or version control. Once ready, restart the kernel and clear outputs to create a clean run for reproducibility. If things go wrong, first restart Vscode and confirm the Python interpreter path, then update or reinstall the Jupyter and Python extensions and check the output panel for errors. This single troubleshooting tip, restart, check interpreter, update extensions, resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.